Each day of our lives has its unique mobility challenges. We have to think about ergonomics, efficiency, comfort, and safety.
We move hundreds of products a day. There's no time to stop for equipment maintenance. I need reliable tools to help me do the job.
Industries never stop moving. We're focused on helping workers keep up, safely. Industry-specific design features keep our products rolling no matter the demand. And as those demands evolve, our design solutions evolve too. We work with robotics engineers to develop the exact products they need for their most important function, mobility.
Colson Group creates and drives solutions that move lives forward. With locations in 15 countries across the globe and the largest distribution network, we lead the world in mobilization. We develop and engineer solutions for every industry, from a wide variety of manufacturing floors to clean hospital corridors.
I have to have the right equipment at the right time, get my patients where they need to be, keep them calm and comfortable.
Patients, doctors, and nurses, they have a lot on their minds. Getting from point A to point B, that shouldn't be one of them. At Colson Group, patient care is engineered right into our casters and wheels. We think of the people who use our products, from quietly moving sensitive hospital equipment to hauling heavy-duty loads.
We work with some of the heaviest parts out there to construct our planes. Pulling heavy loads like that can really take its toll on my body. So yeah, the equipment I work with, it can be a lifesaver.
Keeping people safe is always our first priority. Our heavy-duty automotive, marine, and aerospace products handle immense loads, protect valuable equipment, and reduce physical demands on workers. Colson Group builds ergonomic and responsive mobility into everything we make.
We keep industries moving, businesses more efficient, and people happier and safer. Colson Group keeps you rolling at the speed of life.